Hi, so today I'm hoping to fix one of the issues I've got remaining on my car, which is the airbag light because of the battery connection fault. That came on just the other week, and so I'm hoping to resolve it with just a little resistor. I'll show you which light I mean. So you can see as I turn the light ignition on, the light comes on, it goes off and then comes back. That flashing back, when I scanned it, was due to the resistance of the battery positive connection. All of that should be resolvable by simply using this little resistor. It's a 3.3 ohm 2 amp resistor, and I actually got this on off eBay for a couple of quid because it came with the nice pre-soldered connections, and I should just be able to plug this straight in and that will then fix my problem. So what I'm going to do is get a boot and show you what I mean. From what I understand, you'll see this little connection here goes round through and into this point just down here, and it's this little cable here that has the resistance check on it. Now what I'm hoping is I should just plug this in down the back there, and hopefully that will fix my problem. You can easily get the battery out by removing that bolt, and that bolt takes the battery off, and that bolt for 10 mils, you can see where they screw in there and there. That gives you much better access to this area here. Now the cable that's at fault is this one here that plugs in just down there. So what I've done is just disconnected it by pushing on here, and that allowed me to pull it out. Now the goal is to get this either in there or to disconnect here and feed in the wiring. So disconnect here and feed in the wiring so it connects up so I can use this socket. So I'm going to have a look and see which is the best approach. What you can see here is I've literally just put the resistor down the back of the plug. So it's going to the two pins at the back, and I think that has fixed my airbag light. So I've just put it back on, and you'll see the pin resistance in place. So I've not disconnected any wiring because I want to keep everything intact for as long as possible. So now when I start the car, come round, dash goes on, light goes on, goes off, stays off. Now, admittedly, I did have to clear the codes that were stored, which I'd done using just a Creador 310 Plus. Probably one of the cheaper ones, but it does reset the airbag codes. Just turn on ignition. So that's all it's taken, is a £6 resistor. I would recommend the kit. I'll actually leave the link to the kit in the description, because then you don't need to do any wiring, soldering. You just literally plug it in down the back of the leads to the socket, and that way you don't have to splice. Now what I might do is I might splice, resolder and go forwards from there, but for now I'm actually really happy with that. That proves the point that it was that, which is what the scan code said. It means I've got no more lights on my dash, which is fantastic for the longest time. And if you need it, it's a 5-minute job without any tools other than a 10 mil to take the battery out. I'll connect up the battery now, and when I say connect to the battery, I'll put the battery mounting back in, and that's it for now. So if anyone's got any other suggestions or better tools than that, I'm really impressed with that. I know I could have bought resistor cheaper, I could have just put it in place, but basically putting that resistance in parallel fixes my problem, so I'm happy. Alright, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.